Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's make this customized cake for a gym lover together. So this order was placed by one of my friends for someone who obviously loves working out in the gym. So the design was very clearly shared by the client. They mentioned that they want a chocolate cake and they wanted कि एक person उस cake के ऊपर हो doing bench press. Other than that उनकी और कोई कलर्स को लेके या एक्स्ट्रा इक्विपमेंट्स को लेके कोई डिमांड नहीं थी. Those were added by me based on the cake design and the space on the cake. Now this was one more such cake where I was given complete creative freedom other than the person to be placed on the cake. बाकी सब कुछ I was allowed to do on my own, whatever suits the design of the cake. So here सबसे पहले मैंने bench press की bench से start करा है. I made a black bench and उसके नीचे बस simple planks place कर रहे हैं to hold it and थोड़ा सा उसको cake के ऊपर space देने के लिए. Now I've started by placing some fondant lumps on the bench जिससे I'm just checking कि कितना body and legs and arms, face इन सब में fondant use होगा. Then I first started by making everything in skin color. सबसे पहले legs बनाई, then I made the bodice and इसके बाद I made the arms. Now I'm covering them with the clothes, the gym clothes. So as you already saw, सबसे पहले मैंने legs पे shorts place करे हैं and then body पे एक sandals place करा है. Now I have moved on to the face. फेस में बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर देने के बाद आई पुट द आईज इन एंड इस बार पेंट करने की जगह आई डिसाइडेड कि सब कुछ फॉन्डेंट से ही प्लेस करेंगे. देन आई प्लेस्ड अ मस्टैश ऑन अ बियर्ड, द आईब्रोज. These really bring out the expression and the facial features of the figurine. Then finishing touches दिए like shading the muscles on the body. उससे बहुत अच्छे curves enhance हुए हैं. Then the piping on the clothes and the paint on the equipments. Then we moved on to the cake. This was a 1 kg chocolate cake जिसकी मैंने 3 layers cut करी हैं and then I've done the same old crumb coating. So meanwhile I'll go on to the story of the cake. Now this design has also been on my bucket list. वहाँ मैं कुछ ऐसा बनाना चाहती थी हमेशा से where a figurine is lifting something, चाहे वो छोटा सा item ही सही. In this case he is lifting the rod that's used in the bench press machine. So जब ये order मेरे पास आया, I simply jumped at the chance and yours truly is a gym girly herself and bench press is one of my favorite exercises. So I really loved making this cake. Now because मेरे पास कोई color specifications नहीं दी गई थी, so and it was a chocolate cake, so I did a slight black white kind of marble effect on the sides of the cake and इसके ऊपर I did chocolate drips and then the obvious swirl pattern even though वो visible नहीं होगा. Now the floor that I've placed here, मैंने इसको brick look दी है and I colored the fondant in dark burgundy kind of color जो brick walls का होता है. Then I started by placing all the toppers on the cake. सबसे पहले bench, the man, फिर उसके बाद the stands of the bench press machine. Then I also made a white towel by the way and rolled it like one. Then there's rope, there's kettlebell and of course the rod of the bench press machine. This is the final look. And this is probably one of my favorite cakes that I've made so far. The customer absolutely loved it and they've also given a very generous feedback here. I hope you love it too. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more.